Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix delete folder keep reappearing in your Outlook. So guys, if deleted folder keep reappearing in the Microsoft Outlook, so it is usually caused by IMAP synchronize issue, maybe server side folder issue, or the corrupt caches file. So guys, to fix this issue, first of all guys, you delete the folder from the Outlook web server. If the folder exists on the Maves server, so keep Outlook sync it back even after deleting. Okay, so first you open the browser, then guys go to your Outlook account, okay, and sign in. After sign in, it's open like this. Then guys you choose your folder. So guys, here I'm create the multi folders. Then guys click on these three dotted here, wait, three dotted, then guys click on the option of delete. Okay, so this is the way that you can delete the browser from the web server. Then guys check IMAP folder subscription. Make sure your so guys, with IMAP account, subscribed folder may be reappear. To check this, open folder, then go to the option of IMAP folder, okay, and select the query and unsubscribe from the folder. Okay, then guys you try to another thing is guys, check email rule or add-ins. Sometimes rules or add-in is recreate folder automatically. Okay, so you go to your manage and rule and alert where you delete and check the suspicious rule. Okay, for this simply go to your Microsoft account settings. In the account setting guys, go to the option of journal. After journal, here you see the option of rules. I think it is in mail. Then guys go to the option of rules, and if you find any rules that create automatically folders, so guys please delete it. Okay, so guys these are the basic fixes that you can done. And guys you also restart your computer once, so it helps to refresh your computer. So these are the basic fixes that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.